Hello, I'm Elaine Popp, and I'm the Vice President Academic here at Durham College. I am so pleased to welcome you to our virtual fall open house. Normally at this event, our hallways are filled with faculty, employees, and current students who share information and stories with you, our prospective students. And while things haven't returned to normal quite yet, I'm hoping that we can still generate some energy and inspire you here today. At Durham College, we offer exceptional academic programs in business, health and community services, arts and design, science and engineering, and trades and technologies. Our graduates earn degrees, diplomas, and certificates. So whether you know exactly what you wish to study or you're still figuring it out, you've come to the right place. We offer academic programs for everyone. And our academic excellence goes beyond our programs. We have incredible faculty who are leaders in their fields, bringing real-world experiences and insights into their classes. They support and encourage our students as they participate in experiential learning opportunities, getting the practical skills they need to be successful, career-ready graduates. I really can't say enough about our incredible faculty. One of the many things I love about Durham College is that our faculty are adaptable. So even when challenged, they remain focused on quality teaching and learning, ensuring our students have what they need to be successful. As you attend the sessions today, I'm sure you'll see evidence of this. Take advantage of everything offered today. Connect with faculty and get your questions answered. I'm confident you will find what speaks to you. I hope to see you soon, and until then, stay well, stay safe.